Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on NewYorkDashCam channel. Today, we prepared a really cool episode full of all sorts of crazy moments captured on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight and enjoy the show. Pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera here. This guy is totally ignoring the traffic lights. Two cycles passed by and he was still waiting in the same spot, probably a phone user. Crazy biker dangerously passed the camera over a double solid yellow line, and what's more shocking is the lack of his gear.
That's hot.
Oh no, go for it, change my truck.
That's hot. That's
That's
hot.
what I was telling you, bro.
Someone collapsed and the medics were being called on the scene. The person that collapsed nearly lost his left eye during the fall. Thankfully, the meds arrived really fast and gave the necessary aid. Pay close attention at the left side of the camera. One driver is about to appear and he's going to make a really reckless move. Stay tuned for this one. Motel manager called the police on someone for stealing, and when the cops showed up on the scene, they managed to retrieve the stolen towels. Not only was this driver breaking the speed limit and swerving in between other vehicles, he was also passing cars on the shoulder on the road like it's a normal thing to do.
Black, all right, and thick and curly and long. The nurse loved to brush it, watching the curls roll up as the brush released them. And the patient's eyes, for all their listless stare, were a clear blue. Yet now and then a thin silver line of saliva fell down from the side of her mouth, making a dark circle on the bosom of her white nightgown. It's a wonder somebody hasn't tried to steal those things, he said half to himself.
It would appear that someone set a garbage can on fire, and the firefighters were being called over to handle the issue. It's really sad to see people still doing childish things like this, and too bad the fire department had to intervene because of a situation like this.
Not like I was legitimately like I searched, you know. Sure, go ahead. And there'll be special living for that. KWP 6078. I don't know.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on NewYorkDashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, maybe learning a thing or two based on how to behave in traffic. If you like this type of content, support us with a like because that will mean the world to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.